Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I enlighten UK car insurance policy holders and drivers about the claim process. So let's dive into this topic today. 5 common mistakes drivers make when filing their claims, when filing their car claims. Have you ever had a car accident and then made mistakes that delayed your claim, reduced your payout, or caused unnecessary stress? If you have, the truth is, many UK drivers make avoidable mistakes after an accident, and those mistakes can cost you time, money, and even affect who is held at fault. In today's video, I will walk you through 5 common mistakes drivers make when filing claims, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. So let's go. If you drive in the UK, stay to the end because you would see how helpful this is. Mistake number 1, not documenting the scene properly. One of the biggest mistakes drivers make is failing to gather evidence at the scene. We live in a digital world now. Almost everyone has a smartphone or a mobile phone. So use it wisely after an accident. If it is safe to do so, take clear photos of all vehicles involved in the incident. Capture the damage on each vehicle, or if it's more than 2 vehicles, capture the damage on all the vehicles involved. Take photos of the road layout. Note traffic lights, junctions, lane markings, signs, potholes, even skid marks. Capture the number plate, very important. Also important to notice landmarks nearby. Record the direction each vehicle was traveling before and after the impact. Why is this important, you may ask? Because when liability is disputed later, evidence becomes king. If it becomes your word against the other driver's word, photos and videos can make all the difference. And let me have this clearly. A dashcam can also save you a whole lot of stress. Dashcams provide real-time evidence and can protect you from false allegations. So let's go to mistake number 2, admitting fault at the scene. Many drivers panic after an accident and immediately say, "Oh, I'm sorry, it was my fault. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you." Some could say, "Oh, my mistake." Be very careful about this because even saying sorry out of politeness can sometimes be interpreted badly. If you're unsure of what happened, do not admit fault at the scene, no matter how aggressive or intimidating the other driver may be. Be calm, stay very calm. Some people record conversations immediately after accidents, and this statement may later be used during liability discussions, and you don't want to get caught in the midst of this. So what you should do instead, stay calm, exchange details, gather evidence, report facts to your insurer, let your insurer investigate and decide liability based on available evidence. Mistake number 3, failing to notify your insurer quickly. Another major mistake is delaying contact with your insurer. Even if you don't want to claim immediately, most policies require you to report accidents promptly. The longer you wait, the harder it can be to investigate properly. Evidence may disappear, witnesses may forget details, CCTV footage may be deleted. If the other driver reports first, your insurer may receive allegations before hearing your version, which may really put you in a different position. In the UK, for vehicle damage claims, many insurers expect notification as soon as reasonably possible under your policy terms. For instance, for injury claims, legal limitation periods can be longer, but that does not mean you should delay reporting. If your insurer cannot reach you, they may send you emails, letters. They can even put a call through to you, send you text message reminders. Sometimes, from day 1 onward, if there's a third-party claim or allegation made against you, your insurer may still need to act to protect your position, right? So always report early. This really will help you a lot, okay? Mistake number 4, missing deadlines or ignoring paperwork. This mistake can seriously damage your claim. Your insurer may ask for the following: a claim form, the accident report form, photos, witness details, repair estimate, even statement. If you ignore this request or fail to respond in time, delays happen. Here's an example, okay? You believe you're not at fault, but liability is disputed. Your insurer asks you to complete a claim form. You become unreachable and do not respond in time. If the insurer lacks your evidence and faces mounting third-party cost, they may decide to settle on a without prejudice basis or negotiate a compromise to mitigate cost or to control their cost. That does not always mean they believe you are at fault. It simply may be a commercial decision or a financial decision from an insurance standpoint. Could this be changed later with a strong evidence? Yeah, sometimes that could be changed. But why allow it to get there? Always reply promptly and complete paperwork as quickly as you can. Mistake number 5, which is the last one for this episode: inadequate evidence for repairs. Many people report damage poorly, right? They tell their insurer, my car is damaged, but where exactly? Is it for the front bumper, the rear quarter, the driver's side door, the suspension, the quarter panel, windscreen? Insurance and repairers review damage carefully to confirm it matches the accident circumstances. Let me give you an instance. If you report a rear end accident, but later claim front and side damage with no actual evidence, questions may arise. If damage exists on both sides of the car, but no explanation in your accident description is given to actually confirm the dismissal validation, that's why you should photograph all damage sustained immediately, show impact points clearly, mention every affected area when reporting, explain how the damage happened. Clear evidence usually speed up repairs, approval, and avoid suspicion over pre-existing damage. So, how do you avoid these mistakes? Let me give you a quick tip to avoid all 5 mistakes. Tip number 1: stay calm. Do not panic after an accident. It is very important. Tip number 2: gather evidence. Take photos, videos, details, witnesses, check for CCTV or dashcam footage if you've got one. Tip number 3: don't admit fault. Stick to facts only. Tip number 4: report early. Notify your insurer as soon as possible. Tip number 5: respond quickly, complete forms, and answer calls or emails. Tip number 6: use dashcam if possible. It can save you time and money. Try and get one, to be fair. Tip number 7: keep record, save claim numbers, emails, and update. If you really enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. I'll see you again in the next one. Thank you. Bye.